natural skincare powerhouse that's often called nature's Botox. This oil has been used for thousands of years by ancient Egyptians, Romans, and many other civilizations for its incredible healing properties. But here's the question: should we be worried about its toxin content? Did you know that castor oil is 6,000 times more poisonous than cyanide and 12,000 times more toxic than snake venom? Sounds scary, right? But don't worry. Today, we'll uncover the truth about why this oil is so powerful and how it can transform your skin. Castor oil is a game changer for your skin. It helps give your face that smooth, glowing, firm, and elastic look. Whether you're dealing with fine lines, deeper wrinkles, or dry skin, this oil is a must-have. The secret: ricinoleic acid, a potent phytochemical that deeply moisturizes your skin. This rich oil locks in hydration, leaving your skin feeling soft, nourished, and plump. Many people apply it before bed, and when they wake up, they can't believe how much smoother and more radiant their skin looks. And it's not just for your face. Castor oil works wonders on your hair and scalp, too. Got split ends or dry, damaged hair? Castor oil can help restore moisture and shine in no time. Plus, it has powerful anti-inflammatory properties, making it an excellent remedy for irritated skin. If you struggle with acne or other skin infections, the antimicrobial properties of castor oil can help you fight bacteria, yeast, and even fungi. Speaking of acne, castor oil's antibacterial effects are a huge asset. It helps target the root cause of acne by eliminating bacteria on your skin. It's also packed with vitamin E, which acts as a shield against UV rays and pollution. Plus, for those with wounds, castor oil not only promotes healing but also fades dark spots, leaving your skin with a more even complexion over time. But wait, there's even more. Castor oil is loaded with vitamin A precursors, like beta-carotene, which supports skin health, along with magnesium and potassium, essential minerals for glowing, youthful skin. Even better, there's evidence that castor oil can boost collagen production, which is crucial for maintaining skin's elasticity and youthful appearance. If you've got scars, whether from acne, stretch marks, or other injuries, applying castor oil regularly can help fade and smooth them out over time. Its anti-inflammatory effects are so strong, they could rival ibuprofen. Yes, you heard that right. That's why castor oil is such a powerful tool for skincare. Now, how do you use it? A lot of people mix castor oil with other oils, like coconut or olive oil, to make it easier to apply. But you can also use it straight. Just be mindful that it's thick and sticky, so a little goes a long way. Apply a few drops to your fingertips and gently rub it into areas that need extra care: dry spots, wrinkles, or irritated skin. You only need about 3 drops a day to see a difference. I recommend applying it before bed so it has time to penetrate your skin overnight. If you're pregnant, avoid using castor oil around your abdomen close to your due date, as it could potentially induce labor. And here's a surprise: some people also use castor oil as a natural makeup remover. It's gentle and nourishing, so you get all the benefits while cleansing your face. If you're dealing with hair loss or thinning hair, castor oil could be your new best friend. Massaging it deeply into your scalp can help stimulate hair growth, especially if you have alopecia. Just a few drops rubbed through your hair will hydrate your strands and make them stronger, too. When choosing castor oil, make sure to go for a cold-pressed, organic, and hexane-free option. Avoid any oils that use hexane, a harmful solvent. If you really want something special, try Jamaican black castor oil, which has even more amazing benefits than regular castor oil. And here's a little secret: castor oil can help you grow longer, thicker eyelashes. Just apply a small amount to the roots of your lash daily, and watch them transform before your eyes. Now, let's address that toxin. Don't worry, the harmful toxin in castor oil, ricin, is completely eliminated during the production process. Reputable manufacturers ensure that the oil is safe for use, so there's no need to fear. However, don't ever ingest castor oil directly. It can be dangerous. Always use it as intended. It's fascinating how something so toxic can be so beneficial for your skin and hair. The healing properties of castor oil are truly unmatched. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more, check out my next video. Click here to watch now. If you don't want to miss any new uploads, subscribe now and put on the notification bell. Like, comment, and share. See you in the next one.